no a year dance hall artist Shatta Wale and so said they now know your mamuti and no a year wakusui a year Blakk Rasta and now in Sembia Blakk Rasta I can't their fun who now was in some way muno. I'm out for be say it looks like Shatta Wale wants to tour a different lane now because Shatta Wale you no Kamia say oko kana wo beso life no wake kana drink their chill but sabre dey what their the legal way I'm out for be say Blakk Rasta deserves it ebisu che say Shatta Wale ento na dwumo say we enya dia ebeko baby now ensemo a Blakk Rasta eko kan ya enu ntie nam so ma Shatta ekosiwi no ye chire mu anache say efa eye false and someone no credit edifa Shatta Wale ho a egu ne ho fi into we for defamation of a year 100 million Ghana cedis enya sem ketwa ye be kwa kwotie Blakk Rasta ensem a wode tujwa enei yakwa kosu no ewo eye friend saying can saying court na Blakk Rasta ensem a ono nso edi ababe tujwa concerning this whole issue no eni yentie no emra
Blakk Rasta over King of Fraud title. Oh, but we don't have a problem, do we? A man has confessed that he is the king of fraud. Abisaka, our boy, and no be musician. And we have helped you to trumpet it. And you run to police, run to the court. Hey, waiting they happen. Well, I woke up early this morning and you know, people were calling me as, hey, and you've been sued by Shatta Wale. I said, oh, are you sure? For what? Then they started sending me some things. I said, oh, okay. I would like to find out exactly what it is. But we've been waiting for the summons all this while. We are still waiting for the court bailiff to bring us the summons. Blakk Rasta is not a man who can hide. 3FM. I go there, 12 noon. Tomorrow I'll be there. 3 o'clock, I finish my show. Please, you are welcome. Bring it. We are waiting for the sermons. You know why? I am excited about what Shatta Wale has done. He's my brother. I love him. He knows it. Look at when Shatta Wale is insulting other people. When he comes to Blakk Rasta, he sobers. And that's the respect I give to him. He remembers the past. There are some people you can just say anything to. And some others, you have to relax. I know deep inside him, he respects me. And he knows deep inside him that I, Blakk Rasta, I respect him. But the truth is that the way it is the nature of the snake to bite, it is my nature to speak the truth. You can't separate me from the truth. Dabi. The day I stop speaking the truth, that's the day I'll be in an early grave. My brother, watch Shatta Wale talk about other people when he comes to Blakk Rasta. He calms down. Because he knows the history. He knows the journey. We have mutual respect for each other. And again, can I say this? Come here! Come here! You see, Shatta Wale, Charles Ni Ama Mensah, is a very interesting character. Interesting personality. I love him because he could have decided to crush me somewhere, as we say in Ghanaian English. He say, yeah, Blakk, you did this, I did this. Maybe push my chest. Me too, I go push in chest. And all that. But he decided to go to court. That's the respect I give to him. He has taken me to court. I haven't seen the summons yet, but I've seen it all over social media. Hey, so Shatta Wale knows the way to the court. I am happy. So excited. You'll be shocked that me and him would even hold his arms like this and go to the court. Because I respect a man who, my brother, my sister, will go through the right channel of the law to deal with grievances rather than the so-called street. And this is not the first time I'm saying this about any such person. Shatta Wale sues Blakk Rasta over self-confessed king of fraud. In editorial, demands 100 million in damages. Shatta Wale knows that if he shakes me like this, hard, he won't get this money. If you turn Blakk Rasta upside down and shake him, his coins that will fall, he won't get it. He knows it. But my brother, what did Blakk Rasta say that probably annoyed Shatta Wale? Every fraudster who is caught in this country is his friend. He and him have taken a photo together. They have in one way or the other met.
Abusia Blakk Rasta no year wodi ama Shatta Wale over a defamation suit a wodi ama no enyikuti ochemu se nani ajepa se Shatta Wale e de nakọ eye court because e bin see that say dem di kan and a lot of people are even surprised at it. Now, in other news on this same Shatta Wale court no somewhat 2024-2025 Shatta Wale ene eye efia nigga got sued by Akwesi Abuaje and enyasem ketwa ene nsem aba be pipi monten so na ensemo abaneche se Kwesi Abuaje secures court injunction against Shatta Wale and Efiashwa in 8 million defamation case. And as you can see on the screen, so no sa enetie pepepe brebi e betwemu no Shatta Wale ene Efiashwa snega koye life na life ni mu no na wo mukọ keka nsem bi edefa Kwesi Abuaje ho a according to Kwesi Abuaje no na sa ensem no egu ne ho fi into wode asem no otebire asem no edekopie mu court ebrom kopie mu court no court efre eye Efiashwa ne Shatta Wale wo mu anko wo musan kura be sha asem ni mu kina na ensem ne koso a chese ya frem court amama ne de na ewosa Kwesi Abuaje lawyers no wo mu etokoso na wo mu ma emra no eye adwuma se de tie enti se ya frem na se mu amade a asem no ye beto aso enti wo moto aso ne na chese akwakọ wie se ye the injunction ato Shatta Wale ene Efiashwa snega so se wo mu entimi mie wo mu ano se twetwetwe enka nsem bi emfa eye Akwesi Abuaje we sanse somewhere in 2024 no ye ma wo mu se nka wo mu emra no mo be retract no mo apologize emfa sa ensem wenyina a sebe ni nyina na according to Akwesi Abuaje lawyers ni examine up ebekwa Akwesi be 8 million Ghana cedis the defendant Efiashwa ne Shatta Wale no wo matoto omani arenti no omankwa nkopie mu e wo court. So as you can see on the screens no these are some of the write-ups. So see the High Court General Jurisdiction Division 8 Accra presided over by His Lordship Justice Samuel Faraday Johnson has granted an injunction application restraining Valentina Nanejewa and Charles Niyama Mensah Jr. from making further derogatory defamatory publications against broadcast journalist Solomon David Abuaje. The ruling came after the plaintiff's lawyer successfully argued an application for default judgment following the defendant's failure to enter an appearance despite being duly served by substituted service via various means ordered by the court last year 2025. And to say there, the restraining order so Shatta Wale ene Efiashwa snega omu entimi nkoka bibia emfanfa Akwesi Abuaje eho ebiemu ana Akwesi Abuaje hu biem. Now ensem we beto odwa na manfo chim se hwe wo nipa wo no obi tebiri ne de ne court one show yi up one make appearance no wo no ene wanya akukudro etimi aso a obi ede na kwakogina court because wo felese say obi so aba be kan sema manegu ne hu fin thinking that Kwesi Abuaje de wanya personality ono nso radio personality sa waje dini say before all you know no or other side businesses near the ankofo nim or yere or ma Enti se be oba bontene be kansem bi ebegu ne ho fi na se court no e frɛ na wa ma eduru de so na de obi akwakodan court na are you expecting say the same person no ono nso embe appear e wo court ana? This is a question man for be say Blakk Rasta or na kodan court we say court fra Blakk Rasta mra ana it's just like a process or something bi apese ofem na apese ohunu na Blakk Rasta because ye ntiase wo de ba ye no you didn't show up na so eduru friend is saying Blakk Rasta there no so there are you expecting Blakk Rasta to make appearance? Are you expecting him to show up? And as I say I know so abe topic for a year discussion ama for chemu dia any at this point no abaye dibo techi no enu an de dibo bam ane se wo no o say obey hardcore krum ha na we dey on follow nyehwe me dey abi street guy obe come here metena ho me so life ama o me hwema adwene ho de good tiri so ntimi akasa de court no me mfa nye hwede a enie ye say mre ne dane ene mra akwa dane ababesi ba bi esesese ya at this point you know Shatta Wale and so akopie mu okoti. So the question is if Blakk Rasta doesn't show up in the proceedings any idea Shatta Wale wo be dey ono nso de obinibu befu what would you do because do unto others what you want and others to do unto you no emsesa philosophy no we nya antibi into wentimi anye onto akwesi waje as wono expect say asema wo de akopie mu court no court ebehwe dia man. But then people are also talking about the fact that you had a court case, you never appeared, but also the case are you expecting the same judges and lawyers to sit on your case for you and assessing by a senior agent or lawyer? So lawyer be fanum and a bit to me edu wase mama because lawyers are there to defend and fight for our personal interest. In 10 years say otimi ya good lawyers there ebi an case ni betimi akọ animo. Other than that no when ya good lawyers there in the end say goodbye asem no enkosi ba bia. And as you can see from the response if you Blakk Rasta hoba any dey na say wonye krado kra say obetie anase obebohunu ewe de Shatta Wale aye no ehu abusia efa munsi hanom sei na yenda obi bia sese bunya brede hwe